The jury is deliberating three options with the fate of former North Charleston police officer Michael Slager is now in their hands. He is charged with murder in the April 2015 shooting death of Walter Scott. The first is to acquit him. The jury can also choose to convict Slager of either murder or voluntary manslaughter. After hours of deliberation, the jury went home after asking the judge two questions. News 2's Annie Taylor joins us from the Alert Center. And Annie, those questions may give us some insight into deliberations.
Yes, and we can only assume what they are thinking, but their questions lead us to believe what might be going on in that deliberation room. Before leaving court for the day Thursday, the jurors had two questions for the judge. The first was asking for transcripts of certain witness testimonies. The second was, what is the difference between passion and fear? Now, those two words play into all three possible charges the jury is currently deliberating on. News 2 did speak with attorney Rutledge Durant to understand what those words tell us about what the jury could be leaning towards when it comes to charges for Michael Slager.
Passion is an element of voluntary manslaughter. Voluntary manslaughter is the unlawful killing of another in the heat of passion under sufficient legal provocation. Fear, that's a telling question to suggest that the jury may be giving sufficient thought to self-defense.
We can only assume if the jury is asking about passion and fear because they are highly considering voluntary manslaughter or acquittal. However, there is one word they clearly do understand, and that is malice, which is harming someone with evil intent. Live in the Alert Center this morning, I'm Annie Taylor for News 2.
Thank you, Annie. 5 minutes after the hour right now, when the judge gave the jurors their instructions, he said they are the sole fact finders. The judge went on to say that they must give weight and value to all of the testimony they heard over the last 5 weeks from 55 witnesses.
Witnesses have been qualified to give opinion testimony. This does not mean that you must accept the opinion.
The defense filed a motion yesterday to delay any sort of sentencing if Slager is convicted until there is a full report about his probation. The court has wide discretion when it comes to sentencing. Important factors in the report include background, upbringing, mental state, and physical condition.